everybody, this is TV Show Chase coming to you with another DVD unboxing. This is Alf, Season 1, another good show about a puppet character from the 70s. It's a pretty good little show. I've seen a couple episodes. I've been pretty pleased with it. And this is Season 1, the 4th disc set. And here it is. Alf, the out who propel over space into so you can pause this, read it, and learn a little bit more about him. This is my first set of him, so I'm not really seeing anything about it. I don't know much about it. I'm gonna have to come back with a review video on him, because I've not sat down and watched this show. I've seen maybe one episode, maybe two episodes, so I really don't remember a whole lot of it. I paid $6.99 for it at Ollie's. It was one of the best DVDs they had at Ollie's. They had a couple of things that I wanted, but they were a little pricey, so I didn't pick them up this go around. And that was the front and the back. Here's the side, for everybody that wants to see the side. Here's the back again, and then here's this side. Now I'm going to unbox it and show you the inside. It's in my favorite kind of casing. It's in the clear casing. I like that kind of casing. Give me just a little second here, and we'll get this open. Sometimes I find stuff at Ollie's, and sometimes I don't find anything, so. This was a pretty good deal. $6.99 for this is pretty good. I don't mind paying that for one season. Let me get it down here. Here it is. Very simple. Nothing fancy about it. It's very basic in the inside. No pamphlets, no nothing. Cluttering it up. And this is Alf, Season 1, 4th disc. I got it for $6.99 at Ollie's. This was TV Show Chase. Peace out. Please subscribe to my channel. Please tell new people to come to my channel and look at it. I'm still waiting on my response from Guinness World Record on my Trading Spaces. And I'll get back to you on that when that comes. So please subscribe. Peace out.